Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. Coming back at you with the shorty this time, it would seem. I'm in here working on Thelma, the 1956 Plymouth Savoy Club Cab. Four-door, more-door, elegant lady. Well, I decided I wanted some wider wheels for her, and I had two 15 by 6.5 wheels upstairs, but I needed two more, so I went down to Clay Casus salvage yard, picked up two more, and they were rusty. Now, if you watch my videos, this is something you won't probably see till the spring. So I could sandblast them. That, of course, will work. But I thought, well, why not just mix up some molasses like I've done before? If you see my videos a long time, a couple years ago, I did that. So I mixed it up 10 to 1, normally 10 gallons of water, 1 gallon of molasses that I bought on eBay. Tractor for supply stores generally carry it. This time I had to go 20 to 1 because these are taller, right, to fit in there. In the meantime, I threw in the water pump from Thelma here, and it was rusty. It was real rusty. So you're going to see that. The reason I'm throwing this up now is because I watch Brent Half-Ass Customs up in Canada. He's not a Mopar guy, but he does some cool stuff, and let's face it, we can't all be perfect, right? So anyway, yeah, I watch all of his videos, and he's doing a 1955 Chevy truck. Evidently, back in the day, you couldn't get a four-wheel drive, except if you bought a Dodge. Okay, should have bought a Dodge, you guys. And Napco was a company that would convert it, so he's doing that now, and his gas tank was rusty, and it wasn't bad, but it was rusty. Well, he has the skills to cut it open on the top and then TIG weld it back up, and it doesn't leak. I don't have those skills. If Brent had known about molasses, maybe he did. He could have saved himself a whole bunch of work. Just fill that thing up with molasses, and 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, dump it out, and bada boom, it's done. So anyway, without further ado, here's a couple clips I had made earlier. And I do mean earlier, like a month or more before now. And you'll see how molasses worked on that old water pump. Here we go. Yeah. I'll let this one sit in here. And I'll give you guys a good old look at this. I'm going to see about rebuilding this myself. Why not? I think the trouble is there's grease on it, certainly. And, of course, water doesn't penetrate grease. The smart move would be to, you know, wipe her down first and stick her in. But you can see how yucky that is. Let me throw this booger in. Let her marinate for a week. And then I'll pull that out in a week. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it now. I'd like to get this over with. All right. Okay, it's been 3 weeks. I did take that wheel out of there. But I didn't look at this. I want to wait and see, just like you guys. Got a couple little tools here. We'll see what we got. Now, you remember how rusty that water pump was? Oof. See all the foamage? So nasty. Means this crap is working. Yuck. Yuck. Alright. Holy shit. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. Wow, double wow. Remember that? Molasses, boys. Yep, there's molasses. That's a crispy one inside there. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Look at that. It's all clean underneath there. Just that big chunkage that didn't come off. Yeah, how about that? Isn't it something? Something, honey. Yeah. Pretty amazing. This is the outside. Of course, it wasn't nearly as rusted. What do you think? Now I gotta find a kit for this thing. I'm sure they're out there. Yeah. Amazing. So I'm gonna scrape this booger down. I'll throw her back in. It's still warm enough that this stuff's clearly working. Yeah. Something else. Yuck. Okay. That's that. All right. Yep. That was that. Now, I emptied my thing. I thought, well, stupid. Why don't you keep some of this stuff here? You might need it. And it works better warm, so I'll put that lid on here and do that. Now I wear gloves because this stuff stinks. It's like silage or a brewery. You go by a brewery, the yeast and crap. It isn't bad, but it ain't great. It's on your hands forever. We'll rinse her off a little. Yeah. Look at that crap, guys. Yep. Now, you saw me chipping that off before. Here she is. I know the light sucks. I'm sorry. Let's get a little, that's gonna help a bit. But yeah, she's all clean. Yep, she sure is. And then I still got to get a rebuild kit for this. I haven't even started asking guys for where to find one. Should spin still. Did a minute ago. Anyway, she spun. Yeah. So that's that. Now, since I don't have a kit, I think this thing's going right back into the soup again for a while, because it'll flash rust, which isn't the worst thing. But yeah. Anyway, that's how you derust with molasses. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. See you next time.